I'd like to invite you to our next Essential Action 3-hour workshop oriented towards improving the action of reaching. Reaching is a very essential action. We reach up, we reach down, we reach forward, we reach to our right, we reach to our left hundreds of times a day. You think, oh, that's the action of reaching. But in fact, your entire self is involved in that simple little action. These lessons that I'm going to offer that are ostensibly concerned with reaching, well, I wouldn't be surprised at all if they help you recover from a sore neck or limited movement in your arms and your shoulders, or from a back injury. You'll see that your whole self will move and feel better. All right, hope to see you there.